Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're one of my subscribers, slash actually the reality, not a subscriber, a family member, welcome back you guys. Okay, so what our channel is all about, if you do not know, it's high quality makeup at bargain prices, so Bargain Beauty Deals. We do share other deals that we get as well. And this one, you guys, is probably one of my favorites so far. But I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. I filmed this, it's probably been about a month now. And I've been trying to edit the dang video and the file will not... the file's lost basically. It won't transfer, and then when I try to play it, it's messed up. Anyways, okay, so we're just gonna re-record it, and I'm giving that total transparency because you're gonna notice I don't have the packaging for this. So I found on I love Amazon. First off, Amazon.com, I love you, sponsor me. Secondly, I found mystery makeup bags. I love a mystery. I love a surprise. I love a surprise. I love a surprise. This one was $10.50. I will leave a link in the description if you want to get it. And I'm going to tell you, this is a great deal. I will be buying these again. I will be doing these again. I'm so excited. So I say ahead of time, I've already filmed this because it's not all wrapped up anymore. It's clearly I've used it already. So we're going to go into what we got. We got, first of all, this Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. And again, everything we got was $10.50 for the whole thing. You open it up. Let's shake it up and I'll show it to you on the back of my hand. We'll swatch this baby. We'll swatch every real quick. And then the reason I don't have any makeup on is because we're going to put it on. I am so excited, you guys. Last time I filmed this, I loved everything. So that's what that looks like. It's so pretty. It is kind of chunky glittery. I'm going to say that at first. So just let's just put that out there. It is glittery. It's not just shimmery. It is glittery. So if you don't like a lot thick glitter, this might not be for you. And as you guys, oh, I almost got it everywhere. As you guys see, it is white. So I don't know how this is going to look on me, but we will find out. The next thing we got was actual body glitter. I love glitter. I'm not familiar with working with it very much. I've only done it a few times, so that's going to be fun as well. And it's a really pretty like blue turquoise color, so that's going to be beautiful. I got this lip color. This it's a matte lipstick in the color Mocha, and all these products are by a company named Nabi. There's that color swatch. It's a very pretty orangish brownish color. I got two lip pencils. This one is the color Cocoa, and this one's just deep purple. And I'll swatch those as well. Here's the deep purple. And there's the deep purple right there. Here's the Cocoa. And I'm going to make a look using everything I've received in this box. I also received this eyeshadow palette, which I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Which I find absolutely gorgeous. I've used this a couple times since I received it. Like I said, I did receive it a month ago. So clearly I have used these items. So we're going to zoom you guys on in and we're going to get started. So hold on a sec. Okay, what I went ahead and did, and I primed my eyes off camera. I'm currently using this Broadway primer that I got from Dollar General, but I usually use the e.l.f. I also have the hard candy one. Not my favorite, but I really do like the I think it's off Broadway. It's just Broadway color from the Dollar General. I think it's like $2. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my primer with this color right here. Just so it's not so wet. And if you see me looking down here, that is because that's where my mirror is. But I will probably be picking up my hand mirror per usual also. And you want to set your primer just so there's no creasing. You don't have to if you want a brighter, bolder look. You do not have to set it. I just prefer to. And I like to use a little lighter color myself instead of like my exact, because I was thinking of going in there with this color, but well, I didn't. But I didn't, so. Okay, so then we're going to go in with our transition color. Where's the brush I want? I want this brush. I'm going to go in with, let me see. I'm going to swatch these real quick, guys, and I'll show you what they look like. A couple of them so I can decide which one I want to use. What's this color look like? I'm going to go in with this color like I was originally. These do not have shade colors, you guys, so I'm sorry I can't tell you what color it actually is. You know, like you guys all know, I say quite often, I really, turn this way. Ooh, Missy, there you go. It was a lot brighter than I expected it to be, but that's okay. Is that the color I used last time? I don't know. But, I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and use more colors, but like I said, this was just a mystery bag, so I didn't get to choose. But I actually, when I got it, was super excited because these are all colors I genuinely really enjoy. This is probably a little darker than I want, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in and soften it up a little bit with another color because these, and I have already put the rest of my face on, so if I can't like take a wipe to wipe it all off. Like right here, it's a little darker than I want, so we gotta try to fix it. I'm just gonna, you know, there's nothing in makeup that you can't work with, is the thing. You can always find a way to make it work, and that's the fun of it all. So see, this side's a little darker right there, so I'm gonna go in on this side, tap it off on my finger. There we go. And get darken this side just a little bit so it matches. There we go, that's better. It was not the color I expected, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in with this color right here next. And you know, you guys probably do know these are my safer colors. These are colors I feel a little safer with, and that's why I said I was actually kind of pretty pleased when I first got it. But since then, I have been stepping out of my comfort zone a little more, and I am with this look because, like I said before, I'm going to use everything in here. So I am going to be stepping a little bit out of my comfort zone because I got to use this tealish blue glitter. And I actually, when I first initially filmed this, got a lot of compliments on it, which was awesome. And I was like, okay, which gave me a little more confidence to start working with more colors. So I'm really, you know, I'm all about the deal. So it's hard for me to invest my money into palettes. It costs more money, but I'm going to because I do want to start working with some more pigmented bright colors, except for the Profusion ones, but I just have that in Peak. I do have the Sultry Profusions palette, which I have pulled out for my shop. I've been doing the Shop My Stash lately, and so once every couple of weeks I go in. I should film that actually. I go in and what do I want to do next? Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this color here. Oh, what did I drop? Okay. But I've been doing the Shop My Stash and trying to just use what I have more often. And that's, so what was I getting? So my Sultry palette is the one I went through this weekend, and I pulled that one out, and I want to use that a little more. I feel like, okay, let me move over here. The lighting's a little better. For some reason, I don't know what's going on with the lighting today. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this color right here and try to soften everything up a bit. I am going to be popping in and out of the camera just so you guys know. I mean, I'm going to explain to you everything I'm doing. Oh yeah, I like that. Totally. So there we go. I'm going to go jump and then what was I saying? Anyways, I might be jumping back in and out, you guys, and if you see that, it's because I don't want it to be too long. There we go, that's better. Okay. I don't want it to be so long you guys are like, ugh, is she done yet? Okay. There we go. So what I'm going to do real quick is apply this bright color right here just on my lid. And I'm just going to do that with, I didn't get a brush out for it. We're going to use this brush right here. I should be telling you guys, these are just my Wet n Wild brushes that you guys all know I love. And I'm just going to do that to brighten it up. But I don't know, it's not going to be what I find my final look to do. Okay, so that's like that, but I'm going to go off camera real quick, y'all, and I'm going to put on my, where the heck is it? Hold on. Okay, I went ahead and put my glitter primer on, so I'm just going to go ahead and stick the glitter right on the eyelid. Okay, so this is going to literally, you guys, like I said, I have not really worked with glitter a whole lot. This is a little newer for me, but I really think it's going to turn out pretty. So let's do it. Oh, I do like the look of it. Last time I did this, you guys, I had glitter like in my eyes. It was just everywhere. So if any of you guys work with glitter, let me know. I have a new subscription coming that I'm really excited about, and they send you glitters every month. So that is exciting. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to hop off camera and do the other side really quick, so I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do now that that's done is I'm going to actually use this purple lip liner for eyeliner. So I'm going to attempt to apply it on the waterline, and then I'm going to smudge it out on the bottom as well. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, so I went ahead and put my mascara on and the eyeliner. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to use the Mocha or the Cocoa lip liner, and we're going to do a little ombre look. This is like what when I was a teenager. This was like the chola look, is when you would outline your lips in this dark brown or black. I never did the black. Okay. Not perfect because I do it's not perfect because I'm not big on it. Okay, now we're going to use the matte, this is the Mocha color lip, and it's kind of bent. Look at that, guys. Oh, I might need to bend it back, but later. And when I initially got this color, I didn't like it, but as I wore it, I actually really enjoy it. It's not a color I'm going to wear every day, but it is a color I'll wear again, you know? Okay. And I'm going to hop off and try to do lashes because I've never put lashes on with the glitter before, but I'm going to try to hop off, put on lashes, and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, guys, and there is our finished look. Now, I've never applied eyelashes with glitter on my eyes, so I think it turned out well. I will say I'm new to eyelashes. I've only been using them for, I'd say, probably a month. You guys, I have a mess in front of me. But, so, I got for $10.50. Where's everything at? So I can throw it all. Oh, dude, we forgot the highlighter, guys. So what I'm going to do for the highlighter, because I'm a little nervous, is I'm going to dot a little on my hand. Oh, which hand? And then I'm going to try to dab it on my brush and hope it doesn't ruin my brush. And try it that way, because I really don't want it to smear all over. Because I am... To be honest, last time I used it, okay, that's a little bit, it did lift my makeup because it is a liquid, of course, and this is so light for me, you guys, so, bear with me on that as well because, you know, it's a mystery, guys, and I actually kind of like it when I'm doing it this way. There you guys go. What do you guys think? You like that? We'll put a little down my nose. Yeah, we'll do a little right there. And then dot a little here. There we go. This is a shimmery look. We are going to have shimmer all over my house. Okay, guys, so here's our finished look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? And again, so $10.50. We got this Pro Glow Knob. This is all Knobby products. I don't know who they are. I don't know what they're about. That's what I know. This liquid highlighter. This body glitter. These two lip liners, which I will be using again. This matte lipstick. And this eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to tell you guys, I've used this probably 5 or 6 times. I got this about a month ago. So let me know what you think down in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Excuse my swatches. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can be notified about all of my videos that I have coming out. And if you want to see more looks like this, let me know because I love this. And I am all about the mystery bags. So if you want a mystery bag, click the link below and look at you guys. Watch this. This is the lip liner or the lip. It's not coming off. That's my makeup wipe. It's not coming off at all. So this is actually some pretty good liquid lipstick. You guys have a great day. You know how much I love you and we'll see you again. Bye.